Alright, I am back with another Photoshop walkthrough. So what I want to show you here is how I took this photo of the stars in the galaxy, this photo of me, and turned it into an Instagram post. So what I need to do first is mask out my body so that you can't see any of that jungle. Let me show you how to do it. So when you're masking, you're taking your photo and you're using this mask button to draw in black. And if I decided one day that I wanted to bring this guy behind me back into the photo, I could do that because I have this mask here. Watch how if I change my painting brush to white, I can bring him back. So this is why we use masking instead of just erasing it. Check out what happens if I erase it. So I'm going to come in here, right click, delete the layer mask, and I'm just going to come in with my eraser tool and start erasing him out. Alright. And I'm using my hotkey, the brackets here, change that size. And over here, I want you to look in the layer panel. You can see there's no mask button and there's no way to get back any of that photo. So if I needed to, for some reason, I would have to start over from scratch, just wasting a lot of time. So never, ever, 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 ever erase anything. Just always use this masking method. It just works. I get super passionate about making sure that my students are not working with the eraser. I don't like the idea that content is gone forever. You never know, maybe in the next series of photos or content that you're making, you might want that photo back. And it's just such a pain to have to make all of those selection tools over and over and over again. So I hope you learned something new. I love the idea that everybody who watches these videos is learning some kind of Photoshop piece of content that they can take with them into the real world. Apps, free photo manipulation tools on the internet, they all use these same types of workflows. Photoshop sets the bar up here, and all of the rest of the programs are just working their way to get up to there. So if you know this, you're going to know everything about every other program. Seriously.